In this lesson, we're going to take a look at writing scientific notation in standard form. So how do I write the numbers in standard form? So first of all, I have 2.0075 times 10 to the 6th power. If you can remember when we looked at the exponents, that 10 to the 6th power means that I have 10 multiplied by itself 6 times. So it looks like this: 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we need another one. So 10 to the 6th power is equal to that. Now, we also remember that when you multiply a number by 10, it moves the decimal place to the right. So if I have 10 to the 6th power, I will end up moving the decimal place over 6 places to the right because I have 10 multiplied 6 times. So let's go back to the original problem, 2.0075 times 10 to the 6th. So this means that I'm going to move my decimal place over 6 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so my new number then, I have 2007500. All right, so our new number now is 2,007,500. This is how it is written in standard form. All right, so for our next one, we have 1.685 times 10 to the negative 4. When we have an exponent that is to the negative, it's not multiplication, but it's division. So what 10 to the negative 4 looks like is 10 divided by 10 divided by 10 divided by 10. So we have divided by 10 4 times. When you divide by 10, remember that your decimal place goes to the left. So in this case, where we have 10 to the negative 4, I would be moving my decimal place 4 places to the left. So starting with our original problem, we have 1.685 times 10 to the negative 4. So this means that I'm going to divide, or go to the left, 4 places. So I'll go over 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's important for you to keep these place values by inserting the zeros. So my new number that I have is 0.0001685. This is how that would be written in standard form. All right, our next example, I have 7.23 times 10 to the 3rd. Since the 3 is a positive exponent, I am going to move my decimal place to the right because I'm actually multiplying it by 10 3 times. So I'll take this original number, 7.23, and I'm going to move my decimal place then 1, 2, 3 places to the right, giving me 7,230. So letter D, we have 2 times 10 to the negative 4. Now, one thing that's important for us to remember is that when you don't have a decimal place there is a decimal place. It is right after the number. We just don't write it there when we have a whole number like that. So now I have times 10 to the negative 4. So that means that I need to go, it's negative, so it's division. It means I'm going to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I need to put my decimal place there, and I'm going to then put my zeros. So my standard form would be 0.0002. For letter E, I have 2.654 times 10 to the 2nd power. So I'm going to take my decimal place that I'm going to, because it's a positive 2, it means I'm multiplying, I'm going to the right, I'm going 2 places. Now notice I don't have to add any zeros, I'm not going to the back of it or anything. I'm just moving this decimal place, so I'm going to have 265. Now my decimal place will then be 0.4. And in our last example, we have 2.4 times 10. Now, it's important for us to remember that when you have 10, you do have a exponent. We just don't write it there. There's a 1. So 2.4 times 10 to the 1st power, or times 10, you'll be moving the decimal place over 1 place to the right because it's multiplying by a positive. So 2, 24. 24 would be our new answer. So in this lesson, we took a look at how to take numbers that are written in scientific notation and to change them into standard notation.